Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the Redmi Note 7 Pro freeze test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content like this. And also let me know in the comments below, do you think it will survive or not. This one comes with a dot notch display which has this new notch design. And this variant that I'm holding right now is a 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage. It runs Android version 9 with MIUI 10 on top of it. It has a dual camera setup at the back, and this is the space black color. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now I'm gonna keep this phone here. And also I'm gonna put some water on the display, so later we'll know how well it got frozen. Okay, so the Redmi Note 7 Pro is now ready for the freeze test. I'm gonna keep this phone in the freezer until it gets completely frozen. Hey guys, I'm back after 3 hours and I think the phone is now completely frozen. Let's take out this phone. And wow, this looks so beautiful. And also it's very cool to the touch. Now I'm gonna clean the phone and let's see if the phone is working. As you can see, the fog went inside the dual camera at the back. Okay, so I just cleaned the phone. But the phone is still so cool to the touch. The phone is working and also it's very responsive to the touch. The front camera looks perfectly fine, but there is still some fog in the rear camera. So let's start off with the camera. The camera is working and it takes photos with good details. The fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint, that means it's working. The fingerprint sensor is also working, it unlocks the phone faster, and there's no problem while unlocking the phone with the fingerprint. I have added my face, let's check the face unlock. The face unlock is also working, it unlocks the phone instantly when I look at the phone. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. The box looks so colorful. The speaker is also working without any problem. It is loud and sounds very clear. The volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the phone is fully working. The Redmi Note 7 Pro survived my freeze test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.